Free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about how to work from home as a YouTuber. Now, I don't know how many videos on making money, with YouTube, whatever, but I never really did one that really talk about like what you should know, right? When it comes to getting started with YouTube and actually trying to work from home as a YouTuber. Now, I'm just throwing out some tips and stuff that I personally learned that can hopefully help you out. Now, first and foremost, you should know that becoming a YouTuber and getting paid, working from home, doing videos, creating videos is getting more and more popular every single day, right? I believe if that people aren't already doing it, like they're putting it on resumes now, like YouTube and people are paying taxes on their YouTube income, right? People do this straight up. There are just straight, that's what I do. This is my 9 to 5. I'm a YouTuber. And it's becoming more and more acceptable across the world. You know what I mean? 5 years ago, if you were to tell somebody like, what do you do? And you're like, oh, I'm a YouTuber. They'd be like, what? Are you serious? Oh, you need a job application? Why don't you just say you need applications? Why don't you just say you don't work, right? But now, if somebody say, what do you do? And you say, or they say, I'm a YouTuber. People are like, oh, okay, wow, really? Wow, cool. What kind of content do you do? So it's getting more and more popular, guys. So just be aware that you can do this if you put the effort in and do what you got to do. All right. So anyway, first and foremost, can you make money on YouTube? Absolutely. Right. A lot of people do it by strictly doing the whole YouTube ads, having ads on their videos and everything like that. That is very popular. One of the most popular ways to make money as a YouTuber, but it's just one of the ways, right? And a lot of people make the majority of their money from other methods involving YouTube, not just the YouTube ads, right? A lot of people actually like, yo, don't even count on the YouTube ads, right? Some people completely count on YouTube ads, getting views to their videos and everything. So that's something that I personally would try to go for both, right? Try to get the YouTube ad dollars. Why not? That's just more income. But I wouldn't like base everything off that just because YouTube changes, a lot. One thing that I would say is, guys, don't be afraid to start YouTube, because YouTube is absolutely scarily easy to start. Guys, think what opportunity you can start in like 60 seconds, because it's nothing to create a YouTube channel. All you need to do is have a Gmail account and just create the Gmail account, and you automatically have a YouTube account. That's it. Like, you're good. You're creating that Gmail account automatically puts you in a position to start working from home as a YouTuber. Think about that, right? Maybe I might scare some people like, damn, it's that easy. It's really that easy, right? The next thing you should know when it comes to YouTube is, at some point, you need to realize that you need to treat it like a work from home job. You need to be willing to put in the time, the energy, whether it be for creating your content or researching different topics. Because 9 times out of 10, whatever you're trying to do on YouTube, you're probably gonna have to do some sort of research, or unless you completely going into like a vlog style where you just pick up the camera and you just film your day and then edit it later and then hope people find it. That's very, very risky to do, guys. In most situations, you need to have some sort of method to your madness. You need to have a topic, or even a variety of topics that all kind of, can create views and then kind of represent you or whatever you're trying to do, right? Because if you have a variety channel, in my experience, that you just talk about a whole bunch of different things, then you need to be selling yourself and trying to build your brand. And if you're trying to build your brand, I think it's okay to be able to talk about different things, your views on politics and sports and entertainment. Some people go against that, but whatever. Because you're trying to build your brand and you're trying to get views. And the only way to do that is to actually have, do your research and know what people are searching for on YouTube. Once you can figure out what people are searching for on YouTube, right, and create content around that, you're going to get views, right? You're going to get views. It's going to happen eventually, right? So just be aware of that. Be ready to put in research and treat YouTube just like you would a job where you would have a boss over your shoulder telling you what to do, right? Imagine you are your boss. Tell yourself what to do and get stuff done. Another thing you should know about YouTube is it's not necessarily fast for everybody, right? You need to be patient. Some people get on YouTube, no joke, within 7 days. They got 100,000 views. They got 2,000 subscribers, blah, 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 blah. That, and I learned this the hard way, still learning it. That can throw you off. If you see other people doing it, they're new to YouTube. They might even be in the same niche as you. And you be like, damn, they came out of nowhere and they got more subscribers, more viewers than me. What am I doing wrong, right? I go through it all the time. You can't let that deter you because you can't really control the YouTube algorithm. All you can do is experiment. Stick with the script, right? But play with the YouTube titles. Play with the tags. Play with how you use your descriptions and stuff like that. And see what works for you, right? See what works for you. And then snowball effect off of that. Once you see, oh, these type of titles work, then make more videos with those types of titles. Oh, these tags work. I'm gonna use this, blah, 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 and stick with it, right? Like everybody is different. Some people take 3 years to blow up on YouTube. Some people take 3 months, right? Have the mindset to realize you're building a business here. You're no longer working for somebody else. You're working for yourself. Have that mentality that you're going into YouTube like, yo, this is my business, right? If you have that, you should know that if you open up a clothing store, you're not going to sell $5,000 worth of clothes in the first week. You could, but most likely you need to be realizing like, yo, you know what I'm saying? It's a marathon, not a sprint, right? Have that mentality going into YouTube. Another thing is, really strategize, right? Come up with a recording schedule. Whether you do what some people do, batch recording, where they sit here, and I'm actually doing this. You take 1 day out the week, 1 or 2 days out your week. That's your recording days. Those are the days that you do nothing but record the videos, right? Another day could be you upload them all and you schedule them, all the videos that go out for the week, whatever. And another day out the week could be strictly research, right? So Monday and Tuesday could be, hypothetically, Monday and Tuesday could be research. Wednesday and Thursday can be actually filming, right? And Fridays can be just uploading. You could take 6 hours and just pre-upload, all your videos for the next week or whatever, however you want to do it. But you want to strategize with your YouTube, because I know YouTube looks fun and entertaining and sporadic, but a lot of people, they got their stuff laid out. They know what's coming. They know they got a video coming out Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, or every day, or once a week, whatever. Come up with your system because it's your business, right? Just like how I said, if you had an offline brick and mortar business, right? You're going to have your days of operation, right? You're going to be like, all right, we open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. So you need to treat YouTube the same way, guys. Another thing real quick that you should know about YouTube is it has a tons of opportunity, right? It has the ability to make you crazy amounts of money, whether it be from promoting your own products, affiliate products, YouTube ad money, all that stuff. It has the true potential to make you a crazy amount of money, and it gives you ability to grow your brand. Celebrities are born every day on YouTube. Business deals are formed every day from YouTube, right? So no, YouTube has an incredible amount of opportunity that probably you don't even realize it yet until you really get going. So Working from YouTube, guys, is a real thing. If you're watching this video right now, realize that there's money to be made in YouTube, right? You just have to decide that this is what you want to do and give it a shot and give it a decent amount of time to work for you. Don't try it for a week and be like, oh, this sucks. Literally, if you're going to try to do YouTube and build it to the point where you can do it full time, at least give it a year, 1 year. Because 1 year will give you the time to learn how to do YouTube, and it will give you enough time to see what works, what doesn't work, what's growing, what's slowing, all that good stuff. So give it time, but the opportunity is there, guys, and you can do it if you put your mind to it. Now, before I get out of here, a course that I've always recommended about YouTube is from a guy named Jordan Mackey. I'll put it in the description. It's called YouTube Monetization and Automation. Super course. I mean, super good course. You can check it out, but you don't need it to get started with YouTube. This course is for those who, like, you know, got a little bit of money to invest and really want to get off to a very, very fast start, right? It's not mandatory, but you can check it out if you want. So link below. That's the course that I got, and it did help me make money on YouTube. Just being honest, right? So check that out. Comment below, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.